Good morning everyone. Diwali is around the corner and we all love to add colors to our home decor. So for today's DIY, we will make coasters. For this activity you need a cardboard piece of 3.5 inch, then paintbrush, a pencil, acrylic paints and a palette. Before starting, color the cardboard piece with white color. Now we are ready to make the design on this cardboard sheet. So after completing the outline, your coaster will look like this. You can color it in different colors like I have colored over here.